What's up, guys? So it's been a few days since we have recorded. Isn't that right, buddy?
Yep.
And yeah, so a lot has changed. We have formally made Skidbillies a more of a YouTube media-based business, and now we have SB Performance.
This guy.
No, but for real though, we're trying to move to a more professional manner and keep Skidbillies as a media outlet, so we can do more cool shenanigans. SB Performance is going to be the business side of things, and from now on, you know, as I'm saying, basically we got two businesses now. We've got a lot done. Skidbillies is still skidbillying. We're getting a new sign made for SB Performance, and yeah. So today I was hoping to get some primer laid on this truck. It's almost ready for paint. This IS300 is getting a new head put on it, and meanwhile we got Damien with the damn drums.
Boat anchor.
Yeah, he literally picked this thing up. Him and his buddy picked this thing up with like a beam out of a truck, full of water now, mind you.
It hurt.
And now his back's all, you know, backing.
Alright, it's not.
Oh, I want to see how long it lasts. At least it didn't, the Milwaukee battery that like used itself after we took a wheel
I wish
off.
we would have got that.
That was
hilarious.
I basically was taking a wheel off the Saphira the other day, and
Like at one time, the battery just like fell apart.
like not dissing Milwaukee, because I think this is the battery that I like drove over at one point. But yeah, I'm gonna go see if I can get a new case for this thing. The battery's still good. It's just the case is not. But we've had some work done on the Saphiro's skirts that were absolutely yeeted. Got some carbon on there. Oh, carbon fiber. Oh yes. I actually like to use carbon fiber because I'm a sissy and I prefer to not have fiberglass all over myself. But yeah. So we're gonna do a big announcement. We kind of got some more goodies in. I brought my spare CD009 trans I was gonna put in the 34, and of course we got the VG. This weekend is probably gonna be busy with going to a wedding, Tara and Luke's, which so happy for them. Been waiting for them to get married for a hot minute. Super cool couple. Well done motorsports, like great people. And hopefully getting some footage of that. But yeah. So we've got this customer's IS300 in today. Well, we got it last night. Did some modifications to the trailer and the winch setup to where we can have more successful pulls of cars up on our trailer. But yeah, I'm gonna start pulling this thing and hopefully get the head at least off. We've got head studs inbound. We've got a bunch of goodies that are coming in to get this customer set up right, and kind of came to us halfway taken apart, but all in all, we at least want to go ahead and make sure it's done right and not, you know, half-assed. But oops. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these cam gears off and start working my way to getting the head off. So we've got the cams out. We're gonna go ahead and start unbolting head bolts, and God knows what Damien's doing. Let's go find out. Ah yes, high performance. Yeah, this thing's pretty much toast. Like,
Less than ideal.
is that goop?
That's good oil.
That it smells terrible. I really wish smell-o-vision existed. You can see where the water he pointed out was standing like up in there, like the old pan's like.
It's ballooned out where it like froze.
If you had an RV in this thing, it wouldn't be a problem. Hop a damn Coke can. Damien, you gonna just spray those off and put it back in?
Yeah.
Peak performance. I'll give you like $20 to eat that.
Can't do it. The hospital bill is gonna be a little more than $20 if I eat that.
20 bucks will pay for it.
You think?
Yeah.
We're gonna cut our utility.
Well, we are at a stopping point because it looks like at some point somebody has already tried to take this head bolt out. Ended up stripping it. So, yeah, fun. Well, you are absolutely filthy.
Yeah. Clean all this shit up and go to work.
Right. So let's go and polish this day up. Yeah, again, I don't know if the customer tried to do it. We got the car kind of partially dismantled, but you can see kind of hard to capture it. You got to use a star bit, a special like multi-headed star bit to get these off. If you use an Allen wrench, they're gonna always slip. So it's gonna be fun. Hopefully we can get this thing taken care of today or this weekend or before the end of the week. I don't know. We gotta go ahead and replace a bunch of plugs. We got those ordered from Wiring Specialties. There's a bunch of things that need to be fixed that are gonna have to be fixed before this car can go out. But we'll go ahead and get all the parts ordered for this thing, and hopefully by tomorrow I'll have this head off and all the gaskets in. But I want to thank you guys again. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode of Skidbillies and SP Performance. Hey, do we have any sponsors yet?
Do we?
No, but we'd like to thank the future sponsors. But most importantly, Hall Tag. We love you.
We're sponsored by Timu.
But with that being said, you guys take it easy. We'll probably post this tonight while I'm either at work or figuring something out. But thank you guys again. Take it easy.